Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So for today I have a lounge underwear haul for you guys, and this one's special because it is Black Friday edition. They will start their Black Friday sale on November 23rd and it'll last until the 30th of this month. I'm going to show you guys what pieces I got, and also will include the names and discounts and everything on the screen because I don't know that on the top of my head. I'm pretty sure all of these are either 25% or 30% off, so that's great. The day that this is uploaded is when the sale starts, so make sure to go check them out. I will leave links down below. Obviously my discount code does not work, so I'm not going to leave it in the description or anything, but just know that there's going to be like a side-wide, is that what we call it, like sale. As always, I'm going to be trying on the pieces and showing them on screen while I talk about them. And yeah, I've been working with Lounge for a really long time and I love what their brand stands for, and they're my favorite underwear brand. Like, they're all I wear pretty much. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I actually got is this sweatsuit. It's literally the comfiest sweatsuit ever. I was like, let me just wear it while filming because I have work to do for the rest of the day and this is the perfect work outfit. So it's basically a gray sweatshirt. It just says Lounge all over it, and it has matching sweatpants, and these are literally so comfortable. I don't have them tied right now because I kind of wanted it to be like loose and comfy. You can tie these as well and kind of cinch the waist. Such a cute little set. Obviously it's fall right now, but we're heading into winter very soon, and this is like the perfect outfit to lounge in and work in at home, but also just to wear out because nowadays like that's socially acceptable. So yeah, absolutely love this. I got the sweatpants in a small because I wanted them to be a little bit bigger on me. I usually wear an extra small, so if you want to be more oversized, I size up 1 or 2 sizes. And yeah, that's the first piece. I'm obsessed, and it's literally so soft and I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the first underwear set. So this is, I'm not gonna try to say the names, I'm just gonna put it on the screen because I never remember. I think this is called the basic underwear set, but basically it comes with some like high-waisted briefs. These are probably the most comfortable bottoms they have, like out of their whole collection. I love wearing these when I'm like on my period, or days that I'm just kind of more bloated, or I just don't feel like wearing a thong or like anything tight. These are super comfortable, but they also just look really cute. Like, it's not like you're wearing granny panties. Like, it has the comfort of a granny panty, but it looks really cute. And then it comes with a matching top. Obviously this is a bit of like a bigger bralette. On my Instagram you'll see I actually styled this with the sweatshirt and it looks really cute. You can just wear this whole set and it's adorable. If you get hot, you take off the sweater and then you have this cute little top. This is just like a must. I have this in black and white as well, so I wanted to get the gray one because I was like, I need to finish off, you know, the collection. It's just really nice. I love these, and especially if you're like maybe a little bloated, you're feeling sick, you're in your period, or you just don't feel like wearing a thong and having something, you know. Anyways, love these. Then I got this, I'm pretty sure this is the triangle set, or bamboo triangle. So I have these in a lot of different colors, and I didn't have this like kind of green color yet, so absolutely love it. Can you see that? How pretty is that color? And then it has Lounge embroidered all over the band. These are super soft. These are like, aside from that set, these are probably, when it comes to like a thong and more like bra type top, these are the most comfortable because there's no padding, there's no wire or anything. Even though I have like a smaller chest, I think this looks so flattering, and it just kind of, I don't know, it's very sexy, I have to say. Comes with a matching thong, obviously, again, Lounge embroidered. I just think this color is also really gorgeous, and I love the contrast of the green and the white. So yeah, I got this one, and I have to say these are just like great for every day, because like I said, they're super comfortable. And also what's really nice is that obviously it's like a triangle, so there's like a V, so you can wear this underneath like a lot of different tops. Next up I have this set. So I actually own this, I think, in green. The bra is a bit like I guess like the lace, it's a bit like smaller, I guess, or like less coverage than what you're used to when it comes to like a regular bra. I think it looks very flattering, especially because I don't have much, and it kind of makes it seem like I have more than I do. And this color with the yellow and the white, I just think it's really, really pretty. And obviously it comes with a matching thong, which looks like this, and it just has some beautiful lace detail. It might be a little overexposed, I'm sorry about that. It's so gloomy outside. It comes with a matching thong. I think these are actually one of their most flattering like lace bras that they have when it comes to like smaller chests. Like for me, just like on me, this is like one of their most flattering pieces. Just know there's no coverage here, like this is all lace, so there's nothing there, but that is very sexy. I mean, Valentine's Day is in a couple of months. I mean, I'm sure I'll have other stuff to show you guys when it's Valentine's Day, but you know, even if it's just for now, like sometimes you want to dress up for your partner, or you just want to kind of feel like you have your stuff together, you know, like wearing a matching set. Like I always feel super put together when I'm wearing a matching set. I used to never do that. Ever since I started wearing lounge, like now I just wear matching sets every day, and it feels like I just feel like an adult when I do that, you know what I mean? Next up, I have a black set. Now this is like the perfect kind of like classic timeless piece for in your wardrobe when it comes to underwear. So it's kind of like a balconette bra. Oh, this is so beautiful. I think black's like my favorite color when it comes to lingerie, just because I think it looks really beautiful on every skin tone, and it just has something super like mysterious but sexy to it. Beautiful lace detailing, has like the wire right here, which really gives it like shape, and then it comes with a matching thong, which again has beautiful lace details. Let me see if I can show you that. So beautiful. And obviously has kind of like the silky type band which says lounge on it. Same goes for the bra, has that as well. To wear this, I already know what I'm gonna wear this for, girl. Period. So lastly, I actually have like an intimate set. So they have their regular underwear sets, and then they also have their like intimates, which is more of like an actual set with like the thing you put around the waist. I forgot what that's called. So the bra looks like this. It has this, oh my god, this beautiful embroidery on it. I have nothing like this. I think this is so beautiful. And then it has these straps above the boob, but the embroidery is literally so gorgeous. Do you guys see that? I love that. So it sits like that. Mesh on the sides, by the way. And obviously you have your matching thong, which this is, you know, it's just, that's it. But obviously you have this. Like there's coverage here, which is nice. Then obviously like the butt part is just like literally nothing, just so you know. And it has this beautiful cutout. That embroidery, you guys, is insane. I love how it's like quite thin. It has like the thin straps, has the cutout. So that's the thong that comes with it. And then there's obviously the piece you put around the waist. Let me actually close this so you can see it. It has like a bra closure thing, and then you put this around your waist like that, and you can, I'm pretty sure you can like put stockings underneath, right? You can clip that on. I mean, that's doing a little too much for me, but if you want to do that, you know. Again, beautiful embroidery. I think this like totally just like finishes off the look, and like I said, I know where I'm gonna wear this to, or who I'm gonna wear this for, you know what I mean? Or just wear it for yourself. I think this set is so beautiful. Especially because of the embroidery. I feel like they don't have anything like this, and it's very like not their like classic style or like their go-to, and that's what I really like about them, because they always like lounge always just like comes out with something new, and they always expand. You know, in the beginning they were definitely known for like the triangle sets, like lounge on there, but now especially with the intimates they're able to kind of branch out, and it doesn't have the name on there, but it just has like beautiful designs, and I love it. But there's also this other, I think it's a white, I'll put a picture on the screen if I can find it. There's another intimate set that I would love to get in the future, which is kind of more like a white, but it also has embroidery on it, I'm pretty sure, but more like floral as well. I don't know. It's their intimate section, you guys really need to check it out. It is more expensive than the rest of their pieces, but I feel like one of those sets for like special occasions would be really nice. And especially now, obviously during Black Friday you can get it on sale, so that's, you know, you want to go do that now. Something else I quickly wanted to mention is that their gift wrapping service will be turned off during the sale. So if you're planning on getting gifts for like the holidays during the sale, just a reminder that there's no gift wrapping service, so you'll have to do that yourself, because I know a lot of people like buy their holiday presents during Black Friday, which is a very smart idea. But that is all that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave obviously links down below. Again, the sale will be from November 23rd until the 30th, so make sure you go check them out. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video, and follow me on my Instagram because I post on there every single day. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.